I went back to one of Phuket's best and most unknown beaches, Banana Beach, just north of Bang Tao. And I was shocked. I honestly did not even recognize it. Not long ago, this place felt completely untouched. Thick jungle surrounded the beach. To get down there, you had to walk a steep, narrow path along the cliff. It felt hidden, quiet, like a place only a few people knew about. This is what it looked like 1 year ago. Banana Beach had a reputation for being different from most of Phuket. No big resorts, no road straight to the sand, no loud music, just jungle, clear water, and a small stretch of beach that felt almost forgotten. But when I arrived this time, everything had changed. Part of the jungle had been bulldozed and turned into a parking lot. There was a beach club blasting music across the bay. The beach itself was crowded with people, sunbeds, and noise. This kind of transformation is not new in Phuket. Over the years, many quiet beaches have gone through the same cycle. First, they are hidden. Then they get discovered. Then they get promoted. And finally, they get built up. I had planned to make a full video here, showing a wilder side of Phuket. But standing there, it did not feel right anymore. So I scrapped everything. I packed up my camera, left Banana Beach behind, and drove a couple of minutes north to Naithon Beach instead. A place that feels a lot calmer. Let's just hope it lasts.